All right, we're going to talk about how to do the Dutch test. This is going to be the Dutch Complete. You're going to get a kit like this, and you're going to get sample cards that is for your urine. This is a urine test, so you're going to take these out of this plastic sleeve it comes with. Each one of these cards is going to tell you what time of day to take this, and on the requisition form itself, it'll lay out right here the time of day to take it as well. You want to do it in order. On the requisition slip, it talks about dinner time at 5 p.m., then bedtime, then immediately upon waking, and then 2 hours after waking. If you wake up in the middle of the night, it has an overnight one in there. You don't have to do that if you don't wake up in the middle of the night. But it really helps to get it at these different times, because on the Dutch Complete, we're going to get a cortisol rhythm. See if you can see this right here, of when your cortisol spikes in the morning and when it should go down before you go to bed. It'll get all the metabolized and free cortisol levels from your urine. It's also going to get all your estrogen, all the pathways of your estrogens, your testosterone, your DHEA, all the androgen categories. If you're a woman, it will get your progesterone. And then here's the adrenal gland page with the pituitary gland, adrenals, with your cortisol. See if you can see that. There you go. With levels and rhythms. The last page is going to have your organic acids test on it. So it's going to get your vitamin B6, your B12, your glutathione markers, your dopamine, norepinephrine, melatonin, oxidative stress markers. Some things to know about this is on these cards, you're going to want to put your name, your first name, last name, and the date you collected it, the time you collected it, and if you're a woman, the day of your cycle. And so each one of these cards, you can start it at any time, but you want to do it in order. So if you start at dinner, do dinner, bedtime, then immediately upon waking the next morning, 2 hours after that, and then you can be done. If you start in the morning, immediately upon waking, you're going to work it all the way through till the evening dinner time 1. And then if you do an overnight, you can do it then too. So there's going to be 4, maybe 5 of these that you have to put your name and info on it. You're going to open these up, and this little section right here, let's see if we can get it, is where you will pee on. You got to let it dry out, so a lot of people will just kind of set it like this somewhere where the sample can dry out before you tuck it back in. And then you'll put all of your samples into the bag, and then you're going to get a UPS prepaid label, an envelope. You're going to stick them in there. You can even put it back in with this that you got and stick it in the bag for protection.